Welcome student in the learning of programming series. Once again I am welcoming you all. Student, we have learned our first program, which was write a program that accepts two numbers and print its sum. Student, based on that program, one question is here. Write a program that calculate simple interest. Yes student, a program that calculate simple interest. You all know the formula to calculate simple interest. SI is equal to principal into rate into time upon 100. In short, P into R into T divided by 100 is the formula to calculate simple interest. Okay student. Formula is P into R into T upon 100. Student, if you don't have the value of P, suppose you don't have value of R, don't have value of T, or any of them if value is missing, so it is very difficult to find simple interest. Yes student, we know all values, value of principal, value of rate, value of time, then we have to use this formula to find simple interest. Okay, why these all things I am explaining? Because we are going to write program, and you all know for the program whatever input is required, whatever processing should be there, and whatever output should be of the program, these 3 points we have to always keep in the mind. If these things will be clear, then anyone will able to write a program. Okay student. So these 3 values we need: principal amount, rate amount, time. So how to write code? We will give a message: enter principal amount, enter rate, enter time. 3 input. How we will take this? Take a variable P and write int input opening bracket double quote mark, or in the double quote mark write appropriate message, and message is enter principal amount, double quote close, 1 and 2 bracket open, close 2 bracket. With the help of this programming code, a message will display at the screen. P enter principal amount, we will put the number, and the number is treated as input and it will store in the variable P. Same by following these lines, write another line, and line will be variable R equal int bracket open input bracket open, then double quote mark, and the exact message. What is the message? We are going to read rate, to enter rate, double quote close, 2 brackets close. Again we need time, to take a variable T is equal to int input a message should be enter time, double quote close, 2 brackets close. Okay students, what we have done, we have written all the programming code for input purpose, because to calculate simple interest we need principal amount, we need rate, we need time, and by following these 3 lines of code we will able to take the values of variable p, r, t with these messages, this one and this one. Now student, after 3 lines we will be able to get the required input in these variables. Now we have to use processing part. Now we have to write code for processing part, and we have to use simple interest formula, and the formula you all are know. P is multiplied by R is multiplied by T, and it will divided by 100. So divide by 100. Student, one problem will be here. What? During typing program, it is very difficult to type in the format of fraction. So instead of typing this, just write it like that, a bracket, divide symbol, 100. Okay student, one another change. This multiply symbol, when you are going to type with keyboard, the symbol look like that, a star symbol. It is called asterisk. Okay student, so P into R into T divided by 100, which is the formula to calculate simple interest. Now these 3 variables calculated with this formula, and surely it will make a new thing, a new number, a new amount, which will your simple interest. Just store it in another variable, which is S. Now the last line of this program, to display the result, which is for output, to write print, bracket open, double quote, appropriate message is simple interest equal, double quote close, and student, in last program I have said double quote, then a space and a comma. Double quote, it is for message, comma, where is the value of simple interest? In the variable of S. In the P, it is principal amount. In the R variable, the exact rate. In the T variable, the time which we have given. Based on this formula, which is for simple interest, we have calculated the real simple interest amount. It will store in variable S. With the help of this message, we have to write variable S. It will print, bracket open, bracket close. Student, it is a program. Just write here, write a program that calculates simple interest, and these 5-line code is the program. It is a program to calculate simple interest. It will take input for 3 with the help of these 3 lines. Enter principal, enter rate, enter time. After that, this line will calculate, and this line is treated for output. Student, just have a number of revision to watch this video, and I am sure it will very easy for you all. And one another promise you all, before these 3 videos are available, Learning Python part 1, part 2, part 3. Those who are new, first time those who are watching this video, I am requesting you all, please find that 3 previous video, go through with them, then continue with them. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Or this is for today's. Watch it, make a complete note. We will meet in next video. Thank you. Good luck.